Hey YouTube, it's John from Fried Circuit again, and got another video for you today. Today I wanted to give a quick demonstration on the ID52 and using a Zumspot tethered to my iPhone. But before I get into that, I wanted to send a quick thank you to the new subscribers to the channel, as well as all the views and comments that I've gotten on the ID52 unboxing and programming video that I set up. Thank you very much for for viewing that and helping my channel grow. It's very much appreciated. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get to some content with the ID52 camera right now, but I wanted to give a quick little demonstration. So this right here is a Zumspot. It's built out of a Raspberry Pi Zero, and it's got this little LCD screen on the top that can show you display information. But basically, what this is, it acts as a digital repeater gateway. It can actually operate on several modes: gaseous system fusion, DMR, D-Star. Those are some of the popular modes that people use this for. Today I'm just going to be demonstrating D-Star with it. As you can see, I have it connected to a mobile battery pack. So the Raspberry Pi Zero is powered through like a USB mini connector. The current version is also using a Raspberry Pi. It's a little bit larger. It's got a color screen. It's a little bit nicer, but it's also pre-built. This particular model you have to put together. It's fairly simple though. So here we go. I'm going to power up my ID52 and give a quick demonstration. And you may have seen this in another video of mine. So right now we have there's a lot of signal coming in through. There's probably some Wi-Fi interference, but I've got the hotspot programmed to a frequency that is basically operating a signal, low power, that I can pick up on any radio that is probably within about half a mile. Can get pretty good reception through my D-Star hotspot. So if I go out for a walk around the block or whatever, I can carry my radio with me and operate D-Star if I wanted to. So here's a quick version of an echo test. Echo W4ALQ. Echo W4ALQ. And you can see the display lights up and it shows some of the information. What I just did was an echo test. It's basically just testing to make sure your radio works. And I can go select link to reflector. And it is now connected to the reflector. And I can go out there and send out a general CQ when I select use reflector on the radio. Okay, so I wanted to show you basically the power behind using one of these Zumspots. This right here is a dashboard that you can see all your D-Star contacts. So people that are transmitting on the reflector that I'm currently connected to, you can view them, add them to your log if you're talking to them, and it gives you a link to their QRZ page. You can also look up some GPS information. It's pretty cool. So when you connect your radio, bear with me just a moment. Alright, so when you connect your radio, you'll see down here where it says local RF activity, your connection.
That's why the 3 call, because I'm a transplant from Pennsylvania. So, finish up some stuff working on my bulletin.
So, my radio wasn't connected, but now you could hear when I clicked, when I activated it, and you can see the local RF activity. I connected to reflector 030 Charlie,
and it showed up there on the log, and now I can hear through my radio all these contacts as they're coming through. You control the reflector that you're connected to through your handset or your radio, through your on there. So this is the general dashboard for the Pi-Star, and you can go into the configuration. The default is Pi-Star and Raspberry. Is something like that. And now you can take a look at your configuration page. You can see you can set the different digital modes. I currently have the control set as a duplex repeater, and then I have that programmed into my radio as a duplex station. As you can see, I'm on D-Star mode, and even though I have it as duplex, I'm basically using the same frequency. You can set up the offset as you like. I have this named as Pi-Star 2. It's my second hotspot, but by default it's connected as Pi-Star. And I have the repeater call sign specified as C. On the one I showed earlier, I have it specified as B. That's if you're running multiple hotspots. And that's the general setup. And then when you first set up your Pi-Star, you'll have to connect it to Wi-Fi. So this is connected to my Wi-Fi at home. And the other one, I have it programmed to connect to my cell phone's hotspot. So you'd have to make sure that you have that set up with your cellular carrier and your phone is capable of producing a hotspot. There's other videos out there that can show you how to set up a Wi-Fi hotspot. So on the iPhone, when you first power up the Zumspot, it's not going to find any kind of signal. So what you would do is connect through your computer or your phone to the Wi-Fi signal. So it takes about 5 minutes, and it will just start sending out its own Pi-Star signal, and then you would connect to that Wi-Fi, and then you would navigate to a browser, and then you would go to this website. So you go http // Pi-Star, or you say Pi-Star. I'm going to say Pi-Star 2 for the demonstration here, and then it will present you to the page where you can go in and log in and make your configuration changes and add your Wi-Fi connection. So it takes a little bit of setup, but within about 30 minutes you should be able to connect and use your cell phone hotspot connection and carry it with you and use your Zumspot as a mobile repeater wherever you go.
All right, and thank you for watching the video today. If you want to see more content, please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys the next time. Thanks for watching.